Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the Thunderbolt module, loosen the screws securing the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Identify the riser card module and remove the 2 screws. Lift the module out of the system. Identify the Thunderbolt module and loosen the 2 screws. Lift the module out of the system. To reinstall the Thunderbolt module, place it back in the system and tighten the 2 screws. Place the riser card module back in the system and install the 2 screws. Place the side cover back on the system and secure it with the screw. Please note, the system will only power on and exit service mode if the adapter is connected. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.